Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to take you grocery shopping on the Buzzaround XLS-HD. This is my favorite model for going out and about, whether you're going to a theme park with the family or just going grocery shopping. What's awesome about it is that it can support up to 325 pounds and it breaks down into 5 lightweight pieces so you can easily put it in the trunk of your SUV, your car, your truck, or your van in most cases. We have full specifications on our website, so if you want to check out the dimensions, we even have an unboxing and assembly video which we just posted on our YouTube not too long ago. You might remember that video. If you want to learn more about how to assemble it, just click on the right hand corner of the screen where it says unboxing and assembly video, and you can learn all about that process. Now, before we get started, I do need to tell you about our company catalog. It's free. It has our latest products, coupon codes, and if you want a copy, just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. I also want to tell you that if you stay tuned to the end of this video, we're going to tell you how you can win a free mobility scooter just like this one once a month. So stay tuned to the end. You're not going to want to miss out on that. So again, we do have an unboxing and assembly video. We also have an in-depth product review video where you can learn all about the specifications and you can learn more about the 3-wheel and the 4-wheel variation. The 3-wheel model and the 4-wheel model are both going to have a 325-pound weight capacity. They're going to have pretty much all the same features as far as like the flip-up armrests, the tilt-adjustable handlebar known as the tiller, full suspension, a light kit. You've got a lot of great features on this model. And it's one of the most affordable models that come apart with suspension and that can hold 325 pounds. The 3-wheel version has a really sharp turning radius, as you can see on the screen, but the 4-wheel model is going to be a little bit more stable when going on things like grass or uneven terrain. It's a very compact scooter, so you can easily fit through a door if you live in a small apartment with not a lot of space because of your furniture layout. It's very maneuverable and great for indoor use, but because it has suspension, it's also really great for outdoor use. So here we are at the store, just going down an access ramp for wheelchairs, no problem. And we're again going to take you on a little ride to the grocery store. Again, if you want to see full specifications, you can go to our website. We have full specifications, including the dimensions, the top speed. It's 5 miles per hour, by the way, and the ground clearance, the incline rating, and all the in-depth details that you would want to know. I'll put the link on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says visit webpage so you can learn all about it. But overall, it's a really awesome scooter, very compact, can take it in elevators, you can go on grass. It's super versatile. As you can see, it handles on the grass no problem. I'm about 215 pounds, about 6 foot tall, and I'm super comfortable in it, especially with the 3-wheel version because you've got a lot of extra leg room. One other thing that I really like about it is the fact that it has a built-in USB charging port on the tiller. So if your phone is running out of battery after spending the whole day at a theme park or out and about at the mall with your friends, you can charge your cell phone using the USB charging port as long as you have a cable with you. So with that being said, let's go ahead and go grocery shopping. This is one of the things I love about a mobility scooter. It's not just to get from point A to point B, from your house to the doctor's. You can become independent and do the things you love. Simple things like going to the grocery store and getting some last-minute items that you forgot to get. So I'm showing you here the 3-wheel version has plenty of legroom. You can put your feet on each side of the front wheel since there's no wheel wells like on the 4-wheel version. You have 2 wheel wells, and that occupies a lot of the floorboard space. The 3-wheel version has a lot more foot room, and it turns much more sharply compared to the 4-wheel version. I'm getting kind of dizzy just watching myself do U-turns here, but it's a great feature, especially if you live inside of an apartment with not too much room because of your furniture layout. So here we have the rear basket attachment. It's an accessory that you pay extra for, but I think it's totally worth it. You can put a ton of groceries in there, and it comes with a basket in the front for free. So if you have the front and the rear basket, you could totally get a good amount of groceries. Obviously, you're not going to be able to fill up the scooter with as much groceries compared to an actual shopping cart, but you could definitely put a few goodies in there. In this case, I was just getting a few things to demonstrate what it's like to go grocery shopping. So I got some flowers for the office. During the holidays, we bought some nice fresh poincianas. I got some water, a little bit of coffee, and here I'm just checking out. And we're giving you a little up-close shot of the suspension as well as the light kit. It's a pretty bright light, I must say. And another notable feature is that the seat is super comfortable. It has a memory foam, really thick pad on it, and I've taken this thing to the theme parks in Orlando, Florida, Disney World, where I spent the whole day sitting on it. I was not sore at the end of the day. It felt super comfortable. And again, this is made by Golden Technology, so it comes with a really good warranty and a 1-year in-home repair contract. So if something goes wrong, you don't even need to leave your home. A technician will get dispatched to your home to solve the problem as long as it's a warranty-approved claim. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for our next one because we're going to have some awesome stuff coming up. And I did tell you at the end of this video, I'd teach you how to win a free mobility scooter. Just like the people you're seeing on the screen now, they won a free mobility scooter. All you have to do is subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. That's it. So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. You could be the next lucky winner. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you want to learn more about this product, give our non-commissioned sales experts a call with the phone number at the bottom of the screen. They'd love to hear from you. We'd love to earn your business. Don't have a good day? Have a great day, everybody.
Wow! Come on, groove along. That's it, baby. I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real.